you are all doing well. Today we will learn about sense organs and their function in this chapter. Sense organ. What are sense organ? Sense organ are the special part of our body that help us understand the world around us. They help us see, hear, smell, taste and feel. We have five sense organs and the function performed by them are called senses. So, the function of eye is to see, the function of nose is to smell, and the function of ear is to hear, and the function of hand is to touch. And the last sense organ, which is tongue, this performs the function of taste. So, we will discuss their function one by one. In detail, eyes. Eyes help us see color, shape, people and object around us. Dear student, with the help of eye, we see the world around us. Our nose. We smell with our nose. Our nose help us smell flower, food and perfume and different things. Our ear help us hear different sound such as the sound of bell, sound of people, sound of traffic around you. And skin. The function of our skin is to touch. We can feel hot or cold thing with the help of our skin. Our tongue. Our tongue help us taste different food. We can taste sweet, salty, bitter and sour taste. Our tongue also help us to speak. So, dear student, which are involved in performing all these functions. Our brain receive information from sense organ and help us understand what is happening around us. Hope you understood well.